If you're ready to make over $100 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. Today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to get started making money with AI tools, and you don't even have to be super technically inclined. In fact, all of the stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you need to do is get this digital playbook that I'm going to be giving you for free in today's video that's going to help you get started step by step, everything that you need to start earning money online. This is going to include done for you emails, done for you short form content that you can go ahead and download and upload straight onto TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, a list of over 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote, and then just a quick checklist of things that you need to do to get started. You can get a snapshot which has all my funnels, emails already imported. I'll talk about this later. You can get on a free kickoff call with me where I can walk you through step by step of how to set everything up and a bunch of really cool other things. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, subscribe, and I'm actually send you access to all of this stuff right now. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first thing you want to do, go to digitalplaybook.com, get free course, bonuses, put in your name, email address, and you will get sent to the digital playbook. Now on step 1, it says grab this 14-day free trial. This free trial is going to be to a tool called Go High Level. And this is what I use for my backend CRM, which is a customer relationship management system where it allows me to send emails. This is what it is right here. It allows me to send emails, create websites, funnels, and also allows me to schedule out all the short form content that I have. Loading real quick. This is the social planner. Like I said, allows me to schedule out all my short form content. So if you don't already have that, you can get that. Then step 2, if you want, go ahead and just schedule a call with me where I can help set you up with all this stuff. Or if you're like me, you can just want to do it by yourself, you can just get this free course right here, which walks you through step by step of how to do everything. So once you have the software, you're going to want to import Snapshot. And what this is going to do is it's going to import everything that I use into your account, like my emails, my funnels and website. So once you would click here, it would import it. And then when you would go back over to, let's say, automations, you would have all these different automations in your account. And then when you would go over to sites, you would have all these funnels and all these websites already into your account. So that is going to be step 4. Then step 5 is going to be, you can go ahead and use done for you content that is already here. So I know a lot of people that I talk to, they don't like to be in front of camera, do all that. So what we give you is Google Drive links where you can download these onto your computer. Then let's say you're scheduling these things out using Go High Level. Once you downloaded it onto your computer, you would go to new post, create new post. Then you would just pick a social media platform that you'd want to schedule to. Then you would click video, and then you would go ahead and click on the video that you downloaded. And it just takes a couple seconds to load, and then voila. Here you have the video that you can click on here as reel, and then boom, you hit post, or you can hit schedule post or save for later. But now the question is, how are we going to make money with this? That is where step 6 comes in, where here is a list of 130 different AI tools that you can get paid to promote. Now, what you would do is you would pick a software or tool, and I would suggest any of the ones up here. These are the ones that I use. Also, if you want to, free Discord group where you can have direct access to me. But let's take Go High Level for an example. So what you would want to do is go to this platform, and most of the time, all of these softwares, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to see something that says affiliate program. So boom, become an affiliate, and then you would send someone to a link like this. And every time they click on a link and then sign up, once that 14 or 30-day free trial is up, you would get a commission on that rebill. So there's tools like Leonardo, tools like Descript that I use for my video editing, where when someone uses it, goes through my link, then I get paid a commission for promoting that tool. So you don't have to use any of these tools, but these are the tools that I would recommend and that I've either used or promoted, but I give you plenty of different tools that you can choose from. But let's say you're not in the AI niche, you can do any type of beauty tool or just any tool that has an affiliate program. So what we would do is we would be driving traffic to these links by creating short form content and just scheduling it out. Alrighty, so once you have your affiliate link, you're gonna want to, what we're gonna need to do is go into automations. And then once you would have imported my snapshot, you wanna go to something, or you wanna go to the automation that says new email opt-in. And what this automation is, it is a 60-day email automation to where every day, whoever opt-ins, they get an email telling and informing them about whatever type of tool or whatever type of software that you are choosing to promote. In this case, it's high level, but I give you these emails to where you can go into a tool like ChatGPT, and then by using ChatGPT, you can have it rewrite the email promoting whatever tool you choose to. But let's just go click on this email right here. So one thing I want to talk about is called custom values. And what that is you see this hyperlink right here? Well, it's actually linked to a custom value. And why this is in place is so when someone imports the snapshot, that all these links don't just go to my affiliate link. So the custom value is going to allow you to just put your link in one place, and then it's going to populate into all these hyperlinks. So how we get to that is we want to go back and go to settings, scroll down over here to custom values. And then as you can see right here, this is my custom value right here, or my affiliate link custom value. But all you would need to do is just hit new, type in what it needs to be. And then right here is where you would post your affiliate link. And then every time that someone clicks on that custom value, it goes to that link. So we have the back end set up, and now let's go to the front end. So the funnel that you're going to want to do is going to be the DPB snapshot funnel. And what this is just a basic landing page that has a call to action, a long form video, and then it has a button. So in my case, I talk about, AI side hustles, how to make money using ChatGPT. So that's why it says free AI side hustle. But let's say you want to be promoting an AI image generator. Your thing could be new free AI image generator that no one is talking about. And then on this video, it needs to be, I normally make these long form videos like 5 to 7 minutes, just more of an explainer about what the software or tool that they're going to be signing up for is. Because if you think about it, a lot of these people are going to be coming from your short form content that you're posting on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So they're not really going to know what this tool is. You're using that short form to hook them in, get them onto this page, click the link, and then actually tell them what they're going to be getting. And then once they put in their name and then their email, this email or this opt-in right here or pop-up is going to put them into that 60-day email automation where they keep getting information about whichever software or tool that you are promoting. So I know I went through everything pretty fast, but just to cover everything again, you want to get this 14-day free trial of Go High Level if you already haven't. And then please sign up for a kickoff call with me because I want to make sure that you're set up with everything correctly. And it's just very time consuming. Or like I said, you can watch the free course. This is the link to import the snapshot, all of the done for you content that you can start posting, and then the full free checklist of over 130 AI tools. I know this video was quick, but if you want me to go into more detail, hop on that kickoff call. But that is it for this video, AI pros. I will see you in the next one.